Hello students, welcome to my classroom. Today I am going to discuss about the homework of class 2. Subject English, sentences. Okay, let's start. Dear students, here I have written some words. Now read the following words. Do they make sense? First, sings song Anita. Is it meaningful? Sings song Anita. There is no meaning, so we cannot say it's a sentence. Okay, clear? Sings song Anita is not a sentence, proper sentence. Second, parents her loves she. This is also not a sentence. Third, my this brother is. It has no meaning, so it's not a meaningful sentence. And number 4, Sabita girl is a beautiful. It is also not a sentence because it has no meaning. Okay, next page. Now read the above words written in another word. Do they make sense? Here I have written the same words I have written in my previous page, but another order. Nita sings a song. First, Nita sings a song. Here, Nita sings a song. It's a meaningful sentence. So, we have to say, or we can say it a sentence. Next, she loves her parents. She loves her parents. It's a meaningful sentence. This is my brother. It's also a sentence. Sabita is a beautiful girl. It's a meaningful sentence. So number 1, 2, 3, 4 is all are meaningful sentences. Okay, next page. So what is a sentence? What is a sentence? We can say a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. What is complete sense? Complete sense meaning meaningful sentence. Here, I am a girl. I am a girl. It's a meaningful sentence. We know from this sentence, I am a girl, so it's a meaningful sentence. If we write here, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. We need complete sense. For example, I am a girl. I am a girl is a complete sentence. It has complete sense or meaningful sentence. Okay, next. A sentence must begin with a capital letter. I am a student. Begin. Here I have written capital A because a sentence must begin with a capital letter, so I have to use capital I. Okay, clear? Next, a full stop is usually placed at the end of the sentence. We have to use full stop. What is full stop? It is the sign of full stop. And I have used here full stop. Here and there. Okay, so we have to use a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, next page. Put the words in right order to make sensible sentences. The words are here is not in proper order. We have to arrange or write them in proper order so that we can get sensible sentences. First, 8 Ritu old years is. We first write Ritu name. Ritu is 8 years old. Ritu is 8 years old. Okay, clear? Next, nouns, persons, the are names all of. What can we write it? Names. You all write with me. Names of all the persons are nouns. Names of all the persons are nouns. Okay, clear? Next comes February, March, before. February comes before March. If you write March comes before February, it is wrong. You have to observe your statement, true or false. So you have to write here February comes before March. February comes before March. Okay, clear? And full stop. Okay, next page. Brought has some apples. Mehek. Mehek has brought some apples. Okay, clear? And then full stop. Next, number 5. Robin is going to Japan. Right. Robin is going to Japan. Next, milk gives us cow. What can we write here? Cow gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. It is the right order. Chocolate is Aryan eating. So what can we write here? Aryan is the name of a person or is the name of a boy. Aryan is eating. A chocolate. Okay, clear? Then full stop. I hope you all understand my class. So if you like my class, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends and relatives. Okay, so tata, bye bye.